Look at this one, Chevy fans. Man, this truck is clean. It's a 2002 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab, short box, LS. All right, listen to this. Original mile truck, just a little over 36,000 is all in this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Beautiful stance, as you can see. Does have a drop shackle kit in it. Lowered that rear a little bit. We're going to get into some other tasteful modifications here in just a bit, but first of all, underneath the hood, 5.3 liter V8. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Look at the front grille, bumper. Medium charcoal gray metallic, and take a look at this paint. I mean, it's mirror-like. There's one little kind of blemish right up here, as you can see in the front of the hood, but man, overall, unbelievable for a truck that's over 20 years old now, pushing 25. All right, still pictures, so you can see the underside, and take a look at the underside too. Engine bay, interior, bed. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on a 20-inch Vision torque thrust style wheels. They're beautiful. Tires date coded 2024, so those are in good shape. Technician that looked at it noted the brakes are 80% in the rear, 75% in the front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, the Stepside, or you'll hear them called, sport side box in the rear. And speaking of which, look at the condition of this as far as the paint. We got the rubber mat for the bed floor, bucket seat interior, center console. Dash looking good. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, take a little closer look at the interior, peek underneath the hood. That'd be graphite cloth interior. If you want to see exactly how this car was equipped, look in the still pictures. Original window stickers laminated and will go along with it. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Original Missouri truck is where it was sold new, I believe. Southern Iowa and Missouri is where it spent the majority of its life, and it shows. It was not up here in Salt Country. All right, once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 373 rear gear ratio and a limited slip differential. Bore the mufflers, mild tone, so nothing crazy on the exhaust, just a nice rumble. And like I said, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. These videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Up and down this side again, you can see how clean this thing is. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. So of course, the LS, you know, some nice equipment on it. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. We have a power seat over here on the driver's side. And look at the condition of the seating surfaces. Cloth in great shape. Fold down armrest, that center console, cruise control tilt column, AM, FM, CD player. All right, exact miles. 36,544. No service engine, soon light, check engine, anything like that. No warnings on. Again, the top of that dash, great shape. I have not played around with the stereo here, but stereo working. No surprises on this one, folks. There you get an idea how it sounds. So like I said, nothing crazy over the top on exhaust, just a nice, kind of that mid-tone, nice little rumble, deep throat exhaust, custom taillights. And again, great stance, lowered and leveled. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open quick, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And there's the underside of the hood, that hood liner nice and clean. And again, look at the underside of the truck in general. There it is, a 5.3 liter Vortec. Smooth running, obviously. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. So great looking engine bay, nice, clean, and tidy. Tell you what, if you're in the market for one of these, I don't know where you're gonna find one cleaner. And they're really up and coming. It's a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab short box LS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Great looking, smooth running Chevy truck. And automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive for anybody. I'll wait for a little bit of traffic. Stereo sounds great in this truck. Overhead, I've got some storage and lighting, and a nice clean headliner, as are the doors, the dash, the floor, the seats. This odometer says less than 37,000 miles, and I believe it looking at this truck. I don't think I've ever seen a steering wheel this nice on this generation of truck, and that's one of the wear items that you normally will notice a little bit of use. Gauges are working great. Tachometer 1500 RPM at 50 miles an hour. Oil pressure 60 psi. The fuel gauge reading a little over half. Volts also a little over half, which is about 14.5 volts, right where you want it. The temperature about 180 degrees. Perfect. The blower motor works on this truck. We have center storage with cup holder, cloth bucket seats with armrests that fold down. Loaded up nicely. Power seats as well, with lumbar support. The mirror has shown me the outside temperature and compass. Brakes nice and smooth. This is your chance if you're looking for a Stepside 2002 Chevy Silverado. You definitely want to check this one out. It feels like a brand new truck to me. And that's saying something for something that is from 2002. Check out all the pictures of this Chevy truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.